Hey guys, welcome back to GWiz Academy. So in our last video, we have clearly seen how to add comments to our HTML page or HTML document. Perfect. So now in this video, we'll go to another concept that is called as images. How to use images in our HTML document. Obviously, without image, no website is available on the internet, right? For any or every web page that you see or any website that we see, let's say GWiz Academy. Let's open GWiz Academy. Okay, so if this is a website, just for an example, if this is a website, then as you can see, there is a background image that we have used, and we have used thumbnails, right? Cover images, and then we have used this image over here as a hero section image. So generally, the thing is, we generally use images on our website, and in this video, we'll learn how to use image on any HTML page or any HTML document. Till now, we have learned other concepts like how to comment, how to use iframe, favicon, tables, style attributes, line breaks, and all those things. But now in this video, we'll learn about image, how to add image to our website or web page, right? So for that demonstration purpose, we need an image, right? So what I'll do is I'll just download this particular image, open this image in a new tab. Okay, so this is an image. So what I'll do, I'll save it. Let's say demo image, and let's save it as a demo image here. Where do I save it? Let's save it on the same folder where we are working on this files, right? My HTML course, the same we have created. If you remember, we have created a images folder, right? So in that images folder, I'll add this particular image. Perfect. So it's in the form of PNG or JPEG, whatever it is, you can embed it. Even GIF image file also you can embed on your web pages. So let's go ahead and see. Let's try to add a code that will embed an image in our web page. So for that, first thing that we need to do is create a chapter. New file, ch17, chapter 17, images.html. Right, so there's this one thing that we need to update in chapter 16. What we did is we copied content from iframes, right? So here in titles, it might get confused. In title, we didn't change anything. It should be chapter 16, and it should be writing comments in HTML. Perfect. So now going back to our images file, let's add boilerplate, angle bracket open, exclamatory mark, doc type declaration, HTML, and then we have start HTML, close HTML, and then again we'll have start head, close head, and then start body and close body, right? So once this is done, we'll add title, close title. So it is chapter 17, adding images to web page in HTML, right? So this is clear till now, and now let's go ahead and write code that we need to use so that image gets added in this particular page. So first thing is, let's go ahead and see this folder. These are the chapters. This is the image file that we just now created, and where is the image, actual image? It is available inside the folder. It is in the same directory. We have a folder called as images, and inside images we have a file demo image.png, right? So here, if you see it in a browser, there's nothing over here, right? Because we haven't added any content. Perfect. So how to add image? All you need to do is just use one tag called as image, angle bracket open img and then close it. That's it. It's as simple as that. Use this tag to add image. Now, how to add image? All you need to do is you need to tell what image you want to add, and how to tell that. Same in anchor tag, what we used to do, we used to pull a source, right, from where you want to pull an image. So same thing we'll do here also. We'll use src, that's an attribute, and then equals to double inverted comma open, double inverted comma close, and then within the quotation mark we will tell the path where exactly the image is. Where is the image? It's in a folder called as images, and then inside images, which one exactly? Demo image.png, right? Now then what exactly you need to do? You need to add alt text. Maybe sometimes what happens is this link is expired, or let's say if the image got deleted from our server, something happens, something wrong happens with our image file, then still the browser, we should know, right, what exactly which image was here. We should understand it from the front end as well. So what we do, we add alt text. It is also useful for SEO purpose as well, because browsers will understand which image it is. This image, or let's say this is a demo image. So this alt text is nothing but a alternate text. If in case image doesn't display in the front end, show this particular text. Let's say if I make some mistake here, imge in spelling mistake, spelling error, whatever it is, let me save it and let me go back to the front end and see what it shows. The image will not be pulled, right? This is a demo image. See, because image got broken or image is not getting pulled, then we see this alt text. But what if the source file is correct and image is perfectly fine? Then this doesn't show up, alt text doesn't show up. Refresh it. Here, let me 1 second. Just demo image. Okay, there is some issue. Let me try to add some width, let's say 300 pixels, and height also 400 pixels. Save. The URL is correct, but there is some issue. What exactly it is? Let's see. Let's try to figure it out. Okay, so we need to remove this / over here, and then it will enter into images folder, and then it will target the right folder, right image. Perfect. So we have image over here right now, and alt text is not getting displayed, right? And we need to update this width parameter as well. Let's say we'll keep it 500 pixels so that it doesn't look very much stretched. Perfect. And height can be auto. Let's see. Yeah, perfect. So what are the attributes that we used? Source attribute, which will tell exactly where the image is located, and then we have alternate text. This text will display when image is not working. If in case image is deleted or image is renamed or whatever happens, then alt text is very useful, and it is very important for SEO purpose as well. Width and height is as usual. The name itself indicates that this is used for width and this is used for height. Height, I have set parameter as an auto because it will adjust itself based on the width that we need. It will automatically adjust the aspect ratio. So this is how we add image to our HTML file. right? So what if, you might ask, there is a link, we want to make a feature where you have a link, let's say this is a link, go to GWiz Academy. So this is a link, and I want this link to be an image where if someone clicks on this particular let's say, let me create an image link here, href, and https gwizacademy.com, target black, right? So what it does here, if you refresh it, this is a link, okay? So if someone clicks on this, they are being taken, they will be redirected to GWiz Academy website. So what if I want to make this particular image also as a link? If someone clicks on this link, it will redirect us to this particular website. You might have seen in ads, right? In Facebook ads or in Instagram ads, wherever there will be an image, and if someone clicks on that, they will be redirected to the shopping page or checkout page, right? So how does it work? So how to make this particular image as a link? All you need to do is just copy, and here instead of this particular text, what you need to do is remove this text and paste your image. That's it. Save, and let's go back here, refresh. See, now it is a link. If I click on this particular image, it is taking me to the website. So now we have created an ad or dummy ad, whatever you can say, right? So I can make this kind of ads. I can link on different parts of my website so that it will take people to different other websites or different pages of the same website. Now, one more important thing is, let's say if this is a page, let me open this one real quick. Okay, so if I want to use this particular image, I'll open image in a new tab. Okay, so what I'll do, if you see here, this is the path of this particular image in my server, in GWiz Academy server. It is inside this particular path. So what I'll do, what if I don't want to download the image? If the image is not available with me, I want to use images of different websites. So what I'll do, instead of this, so here I'll add a comment. What comment I can add? I can add, this is image within a link, and image is stored on same server or say locally. Now what I want to do is, one more comment I'll add here. Here let's pull image directly from online websites. How to do that? It's as simple as that. What you need to do, just copy this particular tag, image tag, paste it here, and then what you need to do, go back to this web page. You know the source file of this particular image, right? Else what you can do is, you can just right click and click on copy image link, or you can say, you can copy this particular link and come back here, and if I paste it inside the source and save it, let's see if it works or not. Refresh, I should be able to see one more image over here, right? It is getting displayed. So both are getting displayed on side by side because a tag is a what? A tag is a inline block element. Image is also inline block element. So what we need to do here, let's say we can add a div element just to create a section, and paste it here. And now what will happen? Let's see. It will get here, right? So yeah, I hope now you understood how we can use images on our website. Now you can play around with the dimensions you can play around with, make it big or small, or you can also make it circular, or you can add a border radius. All those things we can do, and we will do it very soon when we start learning about CSS. But now we know how to use image using HTML, right? So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video with one more concept in HTML. Thank you.